What is rest and relaxation? Modern science talks about physiological relaxation, biochemical relaxation, psychological relaxation, physical, mental, and emotional relaxation. They have divided and distorted. Did you ever experience the relaxation in parts? Is it fragmented? Is it the state of mind or is it a state of consciousness? So we talk of physiological relaxation or biochemical or neurophysiological or psychological. We have divided, but the relaxation is one. There comes the Eastern wisdom, and that Eastern wisdom declares when the mind that is scattered outside in millions of directions is gathered within consciously. You have all different stages of relaxation. You have physiological, you have biochemical, you have neurophysiological. Eastern wisdom caught the root of that relaxation. And we are engaged in unnecessary, but it is an art, it is a science. We need to understand how to move the mind that is scattered outside to inside without any effort, one, without any pressure or suppression to the mind, without any control. Permanent state of relaxation dwells in the pure consciousness. Mind borrows that consciousness from that pure consciousness and becomes the mind, becomes the conscious mind. And the mind divides and perceives. And when the mind divides and perceives, it has to be scattered outside in search of relaxation, calmness, and peace. One thing is sure, relaxation and peace is not outside, it is inside me, beyond the mind. Great Master, Ashtavakra. Yadi deham prathakratya chiti vishramya tishthasi adhunaiva sukhi shantah bandhamukto bhavishyasi. Let me translate this. It appears strange and amazing to the modern age and the modern people, but it is a fact. So simple translation, when we separate in the mind through the knowledge body from the mind, what it means? It happens in deep sleep. I'm not aware of the body. So through the knowledge, why? Body is the servant of the mind. That makes the mind to be scattered outside. So that it helps the mind to settle within. When the mind is settled within naturally, what happens? Adhunaiv sukhi shanta. You are in the state of relaxation and calm here and now. And if you continue the journey, you are awakened, you reach to the higher state of mindfulness. That is the powerful journey of the Eastern wisdom. You may belong to any age, irrespective of the age, occupation, gender, challenges that you have in the body. If you understand, first, you reflect second, and then you do the practice. The relaxation becomes your essential nature. That is what the Eastern wisdom means.